Hello everyone. I want to quickly demonstrate how the recommendation engine in itslearning works. So I'm logged into itslearning as Mr. Reed, and I'm going to go ahead to his World History course. Once I arrive at the World History course, I'm going to go ahead and click on Follow Up and Reports. In Follow Up and Reports, I find the Standards Progress Report. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. The standard I've been working on here is W.6, so I'm going to go ahead and click there. I see that I have 4 students that do not meet W.6.1. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that 4. So I see the 4 students that don't meet, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a personalized task. So I'm basically invoking our recommendation engine to help automate some of the work that I need to do. When I click Add Personalized Task, it's going to provide some content for those 4 students based on that standard, the content aligned to the standard in the library. So it's recommended some content here, but I don't want this one. It's not quite what I want, so I'm going to click the X and I'm going to remove it for all students. Then I'm going to click up here where I have some more resources available, and I think I'm going to pull this Factory and Machines Timeline TV History. So I'm going to go assign that to all 4 students. Okay, so now you see I have all 4 students have that material assigned. I could certainly mix and match and give Wendy certain material that's different from Kathy's if I want, or remove one from Greg or Vic if I want to. But for sake of ease here, we're going to keep it just as it is. So now that I have that content assigned to those students, I'm going to go ahead and click Next. A message will pop up that's already populated. It'll insert the student's name. I don't really have to do anything here. I certainly could add a follow-up activity here if I wanted to, like a reflection or a quiz of some sort, and I can certainly give it a deadline. So perhaps I'm going to give it a deadline of July 31st that I want this completed. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Next. So the system is going to ask me if I really want to do what I'm going to do. And I indeed want to go ahead and assign this to all of these students. This will appear in their task list, personalized for them. And then I can monitor their tasks as they do them. So I'm going to go ahead and click Assign. And it will go ahead and give those students all that material, and then now I'm back to my reporting piece and can move on from here. And that's all there is to it.